So you've dragged me out of my house, the crack of noon. All right weather. What are we doing here?
Should we give it a look?
Yes, please.
Look over here. This is what we're going to be doing today.
Oh, drones.
Going to be flying some drones.
Please let me fly it.
Yeah? Let's go.
Wow.
So what did you think?
The Mavic 2 Pro. I love the fact it's just easy to use, plug and play almost, and you know, even as an amateur, the footage looks out of this world.
Yeah.
Even just having a laugh with it, you know, like you might not necessarily want to use it to film something expert, but just filming fun stuff, you know, just going out and about. And you see it more and more now, you know, those epic aerial drone shots.
Yeah.
With this, no problem.
Yeah. There's so much technology inside of it, and for something that's, you know, so compact inside, it's just amazing.
Can you guarantee that, you know, if I'm flying this thing hard, it's going to be like a good shot still?
The drone is handled by a 3-axis stabilised gimbal technology, and it makes sure that the footage is always smooth and steady.
Because that's what takes amateur footage to like a pro level, isn't it?
Yeah.
Morning, guys.
Hiya. Oh, I was supposed to tell you. With Active Track 2.0, the drone will follow subjects autonomously.
Awesome.
So although you may be running or cycling, you can still capture great aerial tracking shots. But remember, you always need to be in control of your drone. What's also great is the controls are intuitive for rookies or vets.
I've only flown a little thing like this, but I just
Yeah.
picked it up straight away and wallop, I was in the air and off I went. So there's nothing more annoying than having like 5 minutes of flight time because of the battery.
These drones have about 29 to 30 minutes of battery life when you're flying
That long?
or hovering. Yeah,
See, I wasn't
it's really
expecting
good.
that.
You don't have to like constantly be like going back and forth charging it.
But there's so much tech in here to run, and you still get that long.
The flight time is dependent on weather conditions and flight modes used. But in sport mode, now this is amazing.
Sounds flashy.
The Mavic can reach up to 45 miles per hour with no wind. And despite all that, the low noise flight technology makes sure it flies quietly.
All right, let's give it a quick go. The average user is going to obviously probably not take it to those limits.
The advanced pilot assistance systems make sure that the drone avoids obstacles in front and behind.
That's good.
It is, and it'll even alert you if you're about to crash. When you want to go ducking and diving, you're going to get in little nooks and crannies, or if you want to go really, really high and
Push to the limit, basically.
push it to the limit, it's absolutely fine.
But I suppose with all tech, you know, you got to read the instructions to get the most out of it and to be safe.
Obviously, yeah, so
Yeah.
you familiarise yourself with the product, but after that, just have fun.
I love the fact as well, after you've had your day out droning, it's so easy to pack up.
It's so nice and compact, and you can take it anywhere on the go.
Love it. Well, there you go. That was the Mavic 2 Pro from DJI.
And if you'd like to know more, visit Currys PC World in-store or online.